Okay, I don't know what Lexi got us into, but I'm dressed like a cowboy. What's going on?
We're Scott and Lexi. Join us as we take on the challenge of horseback riding in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua.
This was a surprise that I didn't know I needed.
So this morning we're gonna go walk around a little bit, and then I have a surprise booked for Scott later. He doesn't know the excursion that we're gonna do. It's supposed to be at Big Sky Stables, and we're gonna go horseback riding for sunset. So yesterday, after a super long car ride, we're about an hour and a half into this 4-hour drive.
4-hour drive. It's rough, but they stopped off for this view. It's pretty beautiful. It's huge. Makes it look so big.
We arrived in San Juan del Sur. It was supposed to be 4 hours, and I think it ended up being like 5 or 6.
We finally made it to our hotel, the Stone Elephant.
It was a bit hard to find while it was raining and dark, but here's an easy way to figure out where you're going. They give you a door code to get into the main door. Cute little chill space. Love the plants. A whole kitchen. There's 2 rooms down here, 2 upstairs, and a pool.
San Juan del Sur is a beautiful beach town with so much to explore and one seriously stunning coastline.
Walking along the beach quickly became our favorite thing to do. It's the kind of place you never want to leave. So we are at the Iguana Bar on the beach in Nicaragua. This place is great. They got good music. We just had some daiquiris. It's getting a little chilly, which makes me worried that that surprise tour that I booked isn't gonna happen.
So I guess Lexi booked a tour and I have no idea what we're doing or where we're going. We'll see what happens.
So here we are at Scott's surprise. Hello.
Hi, I'm Anita. I'm the one you've been talking to online. Yes, yes. So welcome. This is Big Sky Stables. These are our horses. We're getting them all tacked up for you and ready to roll.
Perfect.
We're waiting out this big cloud, but it looks like maybe, hopefully, it'll hold.
Our audio totally bailed on us here, but this is Dennis, the coolest, most interesting driver we've ever met. Absolute legend.
We're gonna put his information down below.
Hey guys, you're very welcome to come to Nicaragua and enjoy this paradise, this hiding jewelry that's been like hide for many years, but now it's open to you guys with these beautiful people. It was so amazing, great.
It was nice to meet you. Oh wow. I can't believe this is what we're doing.
Surprise!
She's making me ride a horse. Are we gonna have to put some of this stuff
Yes,
on?
we're dressing up.
We're dressing
That's
up.
what I told you, a photo
Oh my
shoot.
god.
It is so cute.
It's a photo shoot?
Okay.
Oh my god.
So, Blue, the owner of the stables, she spent literally her whole life in ranches in Canada and here. She's owned a couple. This is her second one. And she collects all of these things throughout Nicaragua or brings them back from the US or Canada. And people get to borrow. And you get to play dress up. And then we get to be cowboys and cowgirls. So fun.
Cool.
So please, help yourselves.
Time to suit up like cowboys.
Here we go.
Check us out. Let's go check out some horsies.
Yeah, he's a rescue. I rescued him a couple of years ago. You're okay, baby. New people, I know.
Hello.
You can say hi. You're okay.
Hi.
Nobody has treats for you. Unbelievable. I know.
I know, we're
He's
so
like,
terrible.
"Oh."
I know.
No good.
We have so many horses, and there's quite a few that are rescues. Look
this-
who's coming to say hi.
This one's like, yo.
Hello. Hi. You're so pretty.
Okay. What's up? Can I pet you?
Can I get this off your head?
Yeah, right.
There you go. Oh, you gave me a lick and a stomp. Hello. Oh, okay. I'm sure my dog would be very jealous. I was eyeballing you. You're pretty.
Riding horses in Nicaragua.
Let's get it.
What an interesting thing to choose. I don't think we've ever rode horses together, have we?
No.
We've been together 10 years and have never ridden horses together, so this will be fun.
Yes.
How do you feel up there?
I'm about to have some fun.
Oh my God.
I hadn't been on a horse in like 2 decades, so I'm sure you can imagine this was exciting, a little chaotic, but honestly a great time.
Sueño, you're not coming with us. He's like, wait.
He's like, I want to come with.
He's literally in line. No, Papa, you stay here.
He's like, why can't I come with? Is this dog gonna follow us?
More than likely. Okay, so here going downhill, we're gonna lean back in our saddles a little bit.
Okay.
Taking your horses through, but not a lot. Let them find their footing. It's a little slippery. Oh, we're pooping. You can't do both things at the same time.
Riding through this forest was absolutely mesmerizing. Each horse had its own personality, stopping for snacks, wandering a little off course, and the river views as we rode along were just unreal.
Riding through this jungle. Seems like it's starting to rain. Okay, horseback riding was so much fun. We're about to get hit by a bike. Horseback riding was so much fun. It started downpouring though, so we had to stop it early unfortunately, but we had so much fun doing it. And honestly, just the experience was absolutely amazing. Our host, Anita, who was taking us horseback riding, was super cool, super down to earth. Our taxi driver, Dennis, was super hilarious and inspirational. So if you ever come to Nicaragua, we definitely recommend using him as a taxi driver.
I would highly suggest, if you're going to do any type of horseback riding, to support Big Sky Stables. The owner, Blue, we didn't get to meet her, which is unfortunate, but she sounds like a true gem. She's built like an entire community and given a bunch of jobs to a lot of locals here. We heard around Christmas time, she ends up getting a ton of food for the less fortunate or, you know, not as wealthy community and gets it out for free.
I feel like our, horseback riding got ended short, unfortunately, but the experience was absolutely amazing. And honestly, I want to come back just to do that again.
Yes, we will be back 100%, at least just to go there and go to Ometepe because we can't go there. But
Exactly.
I would highly recommend them. They're so sweet.
Yeah, definitely one of the best experiences I feel like we've had as of recently, and I definitely want to come back specifically just to go there again.
Join us next time as we check out Bighorn Island on the Caribbean side. Don't forget to like and subscribe.